Planning events is all about creating memorable experiences, but managing leads, scheduling consultations, and following up with clients can quickly become overwhelming. It leaves you less time to focus on delivering the perfect event. That's why we've created a GoHighLevel GHL automation workflow template tailored specifically for event planners. This solution automates your lead management, simplifies booking, and keeps your clients engaged every step of the way. Here's how it works. 1. Lead capture. 2. The system automatically collects leads from your website, social media, and online ads, organizing them in the GHL CRM so you never miss an opportunity. 3. Instant follow-ups. 4. When a new lead comes in, the system sends personalized follow-ups via SMS or email, keeping clients engaged and encouraging them to schedule a consultation. 5. Consultation booking system. 6. Clients can book consultations online through an integrated calendar, making it easy for them to connect with you and discuss their event needs. 7. Automated reminders. 8. The system sends reminders for scheduled consultations and follow-ups, reducing no-shows and ensuring you stay on top of your client relationships. 9. Post-event follow-ups. 10. After the event, the system follows up with clients to gather feedback, thank them, and promote future services or referrals. This automation workflow template is designed to save you time, enhance client communication, and grow your event planning business. With automated lead capture, follow-ups, booking, reminders, and post-event engagement, you'll have everything you need to streamline your operations while delivering unforgettable events. Ready to transform your event planning business? Click the link in the description below to download the full automation workflow template for GHL and start automating your success today. Don't wait. Streamline your planning process now.